Hi folks, it's Tankrel here at Mobile Congress 2018, and I gave you a little preview of the Galaxy S9 Plus a couple of days ago, but this is the Galaxy S9, and I wanted to make sure that you got a chance to see it as well, because, you know, after all, there's two phones and they're slightly different this year, so it's kind of important. As you can see, very beautiful, very shiny. This got a single camera, but it does have the dual aperture feature, and it has a fingerprint reader in a good place, and heart rate sensor and LED flash. You got Samsung logo. It's very, very shiny. So in front you got this beautiful display. This is a Quad HD display. It is basically the same display as in last year's Galaxy S8, but this time it's got even slightly less bezel. I mean, it's very barely noticeable. Generally speaking, it's the same design as last year. Supposedly the glass and metal are thicker, making it more shockproof and resistant. So as you can see here on the left hand side is the Bixby button, and the volume rocker. At the bottom you've got a USB Type-C connector, a speaker, and a headphone jack. Now the speaker is actually using combination with the earpiece to make stereo, which is pretty awesome. And again, as I said, headphone jack, also great news. On the left hand side here you've got the power lock key, and on top you have the SIM tray and secondary mic. Again, this is pretty much identical layout to the Galaxy S9 Plus that I gave you a video of 2 days ago. So there you have it, the lovely Galaxy S9 here at Mobile Congress 2018. Please subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to listen to the Mobile Tech Podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. See you there. Cheers.